Alright, I wanted to talk about add-on, or this little small add-on. It's a pie menu. This is the problem I'm trying to solve, and what it is that when you're trying to model against a reference, say like, go ahead and go into shadeless camera. So in orthographic mode here, and I'm in paint mode, but I'm going to go ahead and go to object mode. I'm going to select the cube, and I want to model this and go to wireframe. So if I use just this scenario of going to wireframe, go to wireframe here, everything's wireframe, so your reference is gone. You need to be able to stay in texture mode. So here in the object panel for the cube display, you can actually select the cube, and you can turn it maximum draw type to wire. Go into edit mode and work with it to say grab all of it, set it, scale Y, A, B, box select those, pull those over, then whatever you want to do with it. And then you still, if you back to object mode, you go back to it, and then have to put it back to solid or textured. Solid. I was working with solid and wireframe on this one. And I got pretty far on it for the most part, but it was a pain in the butt because you're still doing this, like Shift A, add a cube, way bigger than what I need. Get it in there, grab it, put it there, come over here again, go fire, edit mode. See, you're trying not to lose this motion back and forth. You really want to work just here, where you're only working in the 3D view, but when you're done with it, really you can't put that to solid. Here, you'd have to go back, solid. So I got the idea, what if we would look at what we were doing here? I've got a file that I built, and I basically just copied some stuff from the Python files that you get, templates. Here in the templates, we can look at a operator simple. So you have a define here, but I didn't actually use this part. I took this where it's just a class simple operator, and I made a new operator class, and I had to put the ID name and the label. Then I had the poll here, so to make sure that there's an object you're working on. And then instead of this here, instead of that, what I did was I put in the controls that I found here, and I made an operator for each one, for a wire, solid, and I'll show you. Here we have solid draw, here we have wire draw, and here we have textured. They follow the same pattern. You have the class, and then it's a simple name with uppercase on the two words, but they're joined together. Wireframe, Python types operator. Then ID name was object dot, and then wireframe with a underscore. And here on the actual execution, all it is def execute self context, but it just has this bit, exactly what's down here. So you right click that, copy and paste with Control C, right click it again so you don't have it still selected. Select your spot, Control V, you paste it in. I'm going to undo that because I've already got it here. And then return finished. Then you run another operator, which you basically copy this one, put it here, change the words to match what you're doing, make that one solid. That one's, this one is, sorry, my eyeballs are kind of hurting, textured. Get down here, then I got a basic pie menu, also from, mostly it was templates. Here you have a pie layout menu, So I just changed the name of the pie menu. It still says, mine still says view 3D pie, and then instead of template, it says, um, you know, draw draw mode or something like that. So I did the same thing here. You have to register, unregister that as itself. You also have to register and unregister your operators. And so I took that, put that down here, and just relabeled it. So draw types, renamed it. Then I brought in my operators that I created up further in the file. Object wireframe, object solid draw, object text draw. Okay, and then once I got those, it goes left, right, bottom, and I think the next, if I put another one, it would have been on top. This part on the key map doesn't work. I want it to work, but I couldn't get it to work. So I'll show you how I've got it to work at least. I put this on the GitHub, so I'll just give you the file and you can work with it and change it around. But here's your register of your operators and your pie menu, and unregister of your operators and your pie menu. So what I'm going to do is change one of these to my see user prefs. Going to add-ons. I'm going to install from file. My downloads. I had put that in here. Draw type operator pie master zip. Let's see if it works. It says modules installed, so I'm going to save that user setting so because it's in there. User. I think it's, well, can't see that it's there, but we'll just see. Anyway, for the input, I'm gonna need that view 3D pie draw types there. So we're going to go to 3D view global, and I need to add another one. So I need to get first pie menu. Okay, call pie menu. Hover over this and copy it. Control C. And add new. Control V. And then I'm going to get the name of the pie menu. Paste it there. The key, I'm going to use D and the control, and I'm going to save that user setting. Go back to my info window, and what I want to do is go ahead and go up frame. So now Control D, I can go wire, Control D, go back solid, texture, back and forth. So we're in business. Actually work with it and change the object in the view that we're working in to any one of those three and not affect the other. So I can select that one, go to textured, solid, this one, wireframe or solid, and we're good. All right, and that's basically it. I'll put the link for the file as I've got it right now in the description of the video. Thanks, guys. Pass me along any information you got. Talk to you guys later. Bye.